Hi guys, and for today's we're going to make something very interesting. As you guys know that I love to go cycling a lot. I'm visiting like some like nature stuff, visiting the whole island of Singapore on the roads, and going to jogging. So visiting all the parks nearby my house, especially the one at the One North Park, which is very interesting, a lot of greeneries and stuff. So anyway, without further ado, let me introduce some of this the ingredients of energy bar. So it consists of this red dates, very big one, which you can get it from the market, but I think inside there are some seeds inside here, so you need to take out the seed. Alright, and then you put your peanuts, okay, and then after that you can put it together with a mix of this peanut butter, okay, to go with it. To actually, maybe you want to sweeten up the taste, or you would just like to enhance the taste itself rather than eating the red dates and of course the peanut itself. So what does it requires? It just requires you yourself. Hi, hello. This very extraordinary blender. So this blender has been with us for about 3 weeks and have been using it to make some really nice delicious smoothie. But today we're not going to make a smoothie. We are going to use this to make some energy snacks in a shape of either a ball, alright, or in a shape of a bar. Okay, so you come to know which is which after I've done. So alright, narrow setting, a very narrow setting. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice. I'm just gonna shout loud a bit. Okay, and then this is these are the red dates. So these are the red dates. We are going to eliminate the seeds. Let's do this. Alright, so while this process of eliminating the seeds is happening, let's go to right here to actually blend the cashew nuts into floury like powder texture. Let's do this. Okay, good, but probably it's not as what I expected. After blending it like this, it becomes very powdery. Do I need to blend it longer or something? Let's straight on again. Okay, so after that you can actually pour in a bit of peanut butter. Oh, but guess what? Yes, this is the consistency that I want. From here, look at this. Oh, come here. Get it. The raisins actually do help with the stickiness of this whole this whole process, and then it sticks all the peanuts together nicely. After that, we can use this to roll it up and probably make it like into a shape of a ball with the peanut butter. So that's always a freezer for you to put it in, but you will forget it sometime. So just put this in the fridge here like this, and then keep it chill, and then we'll come back to it later. And the video later is to see you guys for that. Yeah, play around with the ingredients once you really get used to it. And then the ball. So I've eaten it. I'll just show you. I'm probably just gonna show you guys a few pictures. If you can see the picture here, somewhere here. Alright. Okay, so the picture gonna appear. The picture is gonna appear. Yeah, that's how it looks. And it's fantastic. And it's So cheers. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in the next one. See you.